Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Last time we already have the persistent login using Supabase. Now let's try to figure how to add some data into Supabase. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so first thing first, I have to commit the last work that I've done into GitHub. Let's see here, the commit message is persistent login. Then we commit. Then we push. All right. Now I want to add some product into my account. So here, let's create a new folder called products. And then we'll create some views or page. It's called product list view dot stl product list view. What do you need to see in a product list view? Let's say, all right, this one I'm gonna be using scaffold bar my products. To see the updates, let's put the product list view within main nav page. In case one, we'll put that here. All right, this is the scaffold, my products. And then I'll be using my already created widget called vlist. Let's put that false. Error nothing. The item builder will return list style. The title is the name of our product. Product name. And then I'll put the price in the right section of the list. Like this. Right. Yeah, so simple. Let's have no design here. So we have product name and product price, and then let's create a new product page. Add product. Oh, let's see, product add. And let's create new folder here. And we'll create new file within product add folder called add product view.dart. Add product view. And then we'll add some floating action button. That one, that purple one. Child is icons.add. Right, so we have the add button. And then when on pressed, we'll go into the add product view. So here we have two. add some routes. Let's copy paste, add product in the routes, and then we'll have to add some get pages within the main.dart. Route name, add product, and it returns add product view. Right, so in the unpressed, we call get to name routes dot add control dot with route name add product. Let's restart the app and click add button. All right, now we have the add product view. Let's do scaffold here with the app bar. Says add product. And in the body, we'll have just two text form field to say the name of the product. Oh, let's do three. Name of the product, label, name. Then we do label description. And then we do price. Name, description, price, right? Let's add some padding here. Let's say 16. And add some padding between the text form fields. Right, now we have the name, description, and price. For the price, we should make the keyboard input to show only numbers. Keyboard type. All right, bear in mind, guys, that fee from input is my custom widget. So I created this widget to make me really easy to do stuff or to customize stuff. Right, so keyboard, wait, what it should be? Text input type, number. Right, so you see here, it will change into a number keyboard. Right, awesome. So the next one will be adding the submit button. I already created a widget for the button too. It is called primary button. The title is submit. On tap, we'll fill the on tap function with the function from Supabase to add the product. Okay. So how to add product to Supabase? Let's see the documentation. Insert data. So here is to insert new data. Await Supabase from cities is our table. We will replace it by product. later. And then insert is the JSON of our product. Update means update, will update existing data. And upsert is update or insert. Wait, I don't know if it's right, but by the experience, upsert means update or insert. Upsert allows you to perform the equivalent of insert if a row with the corresponding on-conflict columns doesn't exist. If it does exist, perform an alternative function depending on ignore duplicates. Do you know what it means? I don't really know. But yeah, my hunch says that if you are doing upsert on this data, if you have existing ID 3, it will update your data on ID 3. Otherwise, insert data with the ID 3. That's the simple conclusion, I guess. Right, let's do the insert data first. Before we do this, I would love to, this is how I do things in my job. We have to create some model first. It will be called product. And we should craft a JSON out of this. So let's say we will have the ID of our product. ID is a string. We'll get back here later. And then we'll have the product name. It's also a string. And we'll have the description, which is also a string. And we'll have the price in integer number. Let's say I have 10,000. Is this all? Yeah, this is all. All right. So if you're confused with what I'm doing right now, you can learn how to type a JSON, and you have to do the right format to be converted into some programming files. Like you can see here, we can do a TypeScript, so it will convert into TypeScript code. And because we're using Flutter, we'll go with Dart. Right, so you'll see this class. My default option is this one. And after this, we just have to copy code. And then we'll create a model. Product.dart, and then just paste the code. And voila, that's it. All right, so here we are. Let's add some controller to save those value. Create a new controller file. So let's just do that. Controllers. Add product controller.dart. Class add product controller extends get x controller. Right, and then let's initialize our text editing controller. We have name, we have description, and we have the price. Yeah, of course, there is another way to do it, but I don't remember out of my head. So let's just take the easy way. Right, so we now have submit. In this submit function, we'll show the loading. We'll pop the loading. Pop means to dissolve the login. How to say it in English? Pop, pop, pop. So we show the loading and we unshow the loading. Right, so between these, let's craft our product class that we've just created from product model. Right, product. Let's say data is new product. Let's adjust this. So I want the ID, name, and the price is required. Required. Now, ID, let's put this for a moment. And name, we got it from name field dot text. And the price, we got it from price field dot text. Right, because text is string and our price is integer, we need to change that. Integer dot parse price field dot text description field dot text. So if you are wondering now that ID must be unique, right? So we have to find a way to generate ID that is unique. That's why we will use, what's the name? UUID. So it will generate some random string that is supposed to be cannot be duplicated each time you generate. So you will always be having a unique ID for each of your product. So I'm not gonna explain how it does that. You can see the documentation yourself. And yeah, let's do this. Maybe I'll create a video how the UUID works sometime. But now, for now, let's implement the UUID first to create our Supabase app. Right now, how to generate it? It's called UUID.v4. Control dot here. So I'm gonna stop my app first because we created a new dependency. I don't know, we have to do that because the hot restart will not work according to my experience. UUID.v4. So we have product.data already crafted. Now this Supabase. Final Supabase dot instance dot client, and we'll just copy paste the code here. We put the asynchronous here because it has to await the Supabase call from we'll do the products. So we will insert our data into products table. And here we call data.toJSON. All right. So let's do this and see where our products will be in Supabase. Name, I have chocolate bread, sari roti, roti, sari roti, chocolate. Price, let's say, how much of sari roti? Let's say 4,000. And then we click submit. No, we're stupid. Not we. I'm so stupid. We haven't called any function in the submit button. All right, so let's call our controller. Get put add product controller. Add product controller, and then let's put the fields controller, name field, description field, price field, and then in the submit button, we'll have controller dot submit. All right, let's do this one more time. Chocolate bread is called sari roti original chocolate. The price is 4,000. 3, 2, 1, submit. It shows the loading. Oh no. Postgres exception not found. Okay. Looks like we have to set up Postgres database within our Supabase. Let's see. Wait, hold on. Now this is the boring part of the learning, right? You fucked up. Not you fucked up. You try something and it doesn't go as you want. So you have to figure why it doesn't go like I want. Call a Postgres function. Do we have some prerequisites here? Need to set up something because in authentication we don't have to do anything. Do we have to do something? Back to main menu, getting started. Flutter. Create new project. We have that. We have this one too. We have this one too. Query data from the app. If it is queryable without any further configuration, it should be addable. Hey, let's see the error again. Postgres exception not found means that we don't have any Postgres set up already in our Supabase. But let's see database. See, every Supabase project comes with a full Postgres database. And why, when I want to create a data, it says not found? Don't give up, guys. This is a necessary struggle for every programmer out there. Let's Google for this error. Flutter Supabase paste. Right, this is the error that we've experienced. Check the Supabase API for any errors. Missing table in your schema. The Supabase documentation can be a little lackluster in certain situations. Wait, let's see. Following your advice, I used to curl. There were missing values for the rest of the columns. What columns? Now let's see their first documentation. Let's just copy paste their code. to the insert data and just copy this one and see if it works or not. Okay. If it's not working too, then I'm gonna add, submit. Invalid number. Shit. No way. I have to comment this out. Right, let's do this again. Submit. See? That's it. We don't have any more necessary steps. What is the missing table in your schema? Let's see a table editor. New table. What? Do we have to manually create a table? All right, let's see. Products. List of products created by users. Integer UID. Yeah. Created at default now. Okay. Name is text. What's the difference between text and varchar? It's the same description, you know. I don't know. By the experience, varchar is much shorter than a text. But let's use the text anyway. Description. Text. And then we have one more. Price. And numeric. Null is unique. Okay. No. Save. Adding 5 column to products. Okay, so we have to initiate this table first. Let's do our original code one more time, guys. What is this now? New row violates low-level security policy for the table products. At least we didn't encounter the error 401 anymore. 401, 404. Everything is forbidden by default. What is this now? View policy. Row level security is enabled for this table, but no policies are set. So how do we create policy? Authenticated. Yeah, let's save the policy. Authenticated only. Hold on. I don't want it to be authenticated only because I want people to see every product before they even log in. Damn, how in the world that I know the SQL expression? Oh, let's just disable this one. Your table is publicly readable and writable. We shouldn't, but damn. Should we do this later? Right, let's do this later. So let's submit one more time. And voila. We have no error, so we should see. How do we see? There. We have our products here. Let's do this one more time. With the chocolate bread. Sari roti chocolato breado. 5K, submit. Yeah. So yeah, I guess this works now. So yeah, Summary, we successfully created a new data into Supabase. And next time, let's see how to show the list from Supabase. Thank you. That's for today. Bye bye.